Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Let's talk about the results of yesterday's Fatal 4-Way held in Tulsa. The format that they used in this Fatal 4-Way is still a mystery for about 90% of the arm wrestling world, but I will give you the results of all 10 matches. I will be using Chan Shaw's footage for only one round, although he gave me his permission to use his clips, but I still cannot convince myself to steal his precious footage. Chan Shaw, Jordan Sill, Don Underwood, and Mike Aiello. Round 1, after the slip, Chan Shaw top rolled Jordan. Second round, Don Underwood versus Mike Aiello. Mike flash pinned Don, but it was called an elbow foul on Mike. Now many people, including me, are complaining that Mike Aiello was screwed. I'm not saying it was intentional or it was a setup, but there were definitely some bad decisions made by the referee. Don was trying to do everything to gas Mike's hands out, and he was just not taking any grip and even moving his hand in a referee's grip, and the refs were not fouling him. After the second start, Don's elbow was off the back of the pad probably 4-5 inches, and guess what? Still no foul called by the down referee. He is even directly looking at Don's elbow. I just cannot believe that he missed that elbow foul. I know that reffing an arm wrestling match is difficult and even the most experienced referees make mistakes all the time. But before anyone tells me that why don't I try to be the ref and then they will judge me how many mistakes I make, my same old reply: I don't have to become the president myself to critique the president's work. You cannot afford to make such crucial mistakes in a format that is totally dependent on endurance. Example, the guy who finished first versus the tired fourth number guy. The match between them took about 4 seconds to finish. That shows you how close all 4 of them were, irrespective of what the results tell you. I genuinely believe that Mike would still not have won this competition, but he was definitely gassed out because of the referee's fault and maybe his poor endurance. So the next matchup, Jordan Sill top rolled Mike. It was obvious. Then Chan Shaw versus Don Underwood. Chan Shaw top rolled Don. Then Jordan Sill versus Mike Aiello again. This time Mike tried to flop press Jordan, but it didn't work and Jordan brought him back. Chan Shaw versus Don Underwood. Chance top rolled Don again. Chan Shaw versus Mike Aiello. Chance beat Mike easily. Jordan Sill versus Don Underwood. I was really surprised to see Don Underwood top roll Jordan Sill. Chan Shaw versus Mike Aiello. This time Mike gave up because he had nothing left in him, and Chan Shaw was your winner. I think there was one more match supposed to happen between Jordan Sill and Don Underwood. Maybe I missed it, but I did not see it happening. Maybe I missed one match. Please tell me if you know that. Give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.